Hey guys, welcome back. So I've never been the biggest fan of BMWs, but everyone seems to love them for drifting, especially the E36. So in that case, I'm going to give the Swarm E36 a go. So it's got an M52 engine, making 557 horsepower, 714 Newton meters, and it's weighing 1450 kgs. So with that, let's jump in. All right, so in the car, so I did see the model was a Turn 10 one, which I'm pretty sure is Forza. So it does look pretty basic in the interior. Yep, hydro is animated, and it does have a sunroof. Let's see how we go. So I always end up back at Ibisu, so some form of Ibisu track. So this time we're doing Nishi. So I've done a few practice laps just to get used to the try and get a bit used to the car. So it does feel pretty good. So I was just trying to get comfortable. Alright, so I'll come up the top. Third gear. So, 557, well, I was going to say 557 horsepower is awesome, but still need to keep the revs up because I fell out of power band. I think the red line looks like 7.5 on the tacho. See if it actually is that in a second. Sit third, keep it up. Fell out of power, but just give it a clutch kick. And try and drive it through. Alright, what was rev limiter? Yep, 7.5. The amount of times I've gone way too fast down here and driven off into that fence. Lost count. Alright, third, again. Threw the car way too much. Just noticed, looks like it has Willwood. Actually, it's a bit blurry to read. It looks like Willwood. When I make the video, I'll see if I was right or wrong. Oop, up in the grass. Getting distracted. It's got the burble and deceleration as well. Alright, third. That's better. So yeah, it has a pretty good power band. Yeah, so far it's very nice to drive. Do one more at Nishi. Third's going well, a bit too far. Try to keep it in tight. Just bounce it off the limiter. Awesome, I'm going to change over to the Kunos drift track. Alright, back on the Kunos drift track. So there is something I was finding a bit weird in the handling of this car. Besides, I'm not doing transitions very well. It seems like it doesn't have a lot of sideways grip. So it seemed like it was just pushing out sideways a lot. Well, more so than other cars. Too far. Up on the grass. But I have said it before, it's one of the things I do like about this pack, is that the cars all feel different. This is one of the easier ones to drive. It seems to have probably a good torque curve. Hey, I might actually get the donut, not bad on my first go. 1/3, yeah. I fell out of power band again. Let's see if it's good enough for 4th. Around the outside. Not how I intended it. Probably should have shifted back to 3rd. Driving through with 3rd, so having trouble probably finding a good way to demonstrate what I'm talking about. Almost slid off the track. Just seems to slide a bit different to the other cars. Just gonna try and drive it to the wall, but didn't. Probably should have just kept going with 3rd. It's definitely got the power to do it. Gonna get 2 donuts. I think the front might have just hit them. I'm sick of just looking at a bash in second. Right back. So we use 3rd. You know, almost over-rotated. I guess we'll just leave it to the top here. Yeah, still just... I guess it doesn't feel that much different, but it does feel something's different about this car. And it's still good to drive, and it still feels like it's one of the easier ones. Try and get it out to the wall. I'm gonna hit the wall. Alright, too close to the wall. Alright, I know I was trying to do backies before making this video, and I would just over-rotate, so I want to get some grip. Kind of freaked out because the pedal rubber came off my accelerator then while I was trying to accelerate out of that. But didn't feel like it went too far. So we'll try again. May not have enough speed now though. Alright, 4th. Clutch kick. Nope. Off into the wall. I'll try one more backy. Actually, I'll do it around the front. Let's see the power band of this car. So 4th gear, probably run into the wall, 1000 RPM. 2. Definitely around maybe 2.5, 3. Definitely start to feel it. Alright, 4th. Clutch kick. Oop. Straight into the wall. You can do it with other cars, for some reason I just can't do it with this one. It's like maybe I'm just taking way too much speed in this car. Not putting the power down to drive it, pull it out of the slide and pull it forward through the corner. One more try. Come on. Just waiting for it to get traction. Oh, well, I'll give up on backies in this car. So, yeah, like, do like all the Swarm cars. This one's just another one. It is fun. The engine's really good with its torque, power curve. There is just something that I don't like about the handling of this car, or I don't like it as much as the other ones. Maybe it's more realistic, so it's harder. So that's why I don't like it. Let's just try one more time since I'm down here. It wasn't a backy, but kept it going. Yeah, just another one of the Swarm cars down. So it's another good one, like the rest of them. Just probably not my cup of tea. That. Thanks for watching, guys.